welcome to the Department of Environmental Quality's electronic reporting system called nForm. This training video will show you how to complete the 110-305 Renovation, Repair, and Painting Firm Certification Application Form in the nForm system. The 110-305 RRP application form can be reached in two ways. One of the ways is by the links on our DEQ webpage. If you click on the link, it will take you to the respective form, where you will need to log in using your email and password that you used when you set up your account when you registered. From here, you can proceed to the form and start entering the information. The other way is to go directly to the nForm webpage, where you can log in and you can either search for the form using a drop-down list to get to a list of lead-based paint forms and to the form you need, in this case 110-305 RRP firm application form. On this page, you can also search for the form using the Finder tab, which is located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Type in a keyword or 305, and the respective link to the form you require will pop up below, which will take you to the form landing page. The form starts out with some important information for you to read over. Then once you're ready to begin, click on Begin Form Entry. On this page, you will enter information about your RRP firm, including your firm name, mailing address, and contact information. Next, you will see a place to mark if you would like your RRP firm listed on the DEQ webpage. This list is available to the general public to view lists of certified firms. Under that is a place for you to put the name of your responsible official. This is the person that is legally responsible for your firm, such as the owner or a manager. Next will be a place to indicate if the physical address is the same as the mailing address. If it is not, mark it so, and a drop-down box will become visible where you can put in the physical address. The next section will be in regards to applying for a fee exemption. Only mark this box if you wish to file for an exemption and meet the requirements of working as part of a state or political subdivision entity only. These firms will receive a fee waiver but will not be listed on the DEQ webpage for public hire. An affidavit stating the responsible official is part of a state or political subdivision entity must be filled out, notarized, and scanned so it can be attached to this form. You can reach the affidavit by clicking this link here. If you have not applied for a fee exemption, then you will see the application fee of $300 listed below. Next, you will click on the Review section button. On this page, you review your entry. You can print a copy of your application from this page at this time. Once you have completed the entry, click Certify and Submit. On the Certify and Submit page, you are to read the statement provided and then click Submit Form. Or if you're not ready to submit, you can click the Save and Exit button and finish the application at another time. You will get a pop-up at this point saying your entry has been submitted and that payment is required. You can choose one of two payment options. You can choose to pay via mail, in which case you need to click on that selection on the screen and get a printed voucher at that time to send with your payment. If you choose to pay online, the system will walk you through the steps to make the payment through the payment portal. Once payment is complete, be sure to print off the receipt at that time. It is not always possible for DEQ to pull up receipts after the submission has been made. If you choose the Pay Later option, be aware that your application will not be processed until payment has been made. At this point, you'll receive an email stating your submission has been received. It will be reviewed, and once it has been accepted and deemed complete, you'll receive an email stating this. If during the review process any need for corrections are found, you will receive an email about those requested changes. For more information on correction requests, please see Correction Request Training video, which will outline the process for you. Once you have made a submission, you can find the entry under the tab My Submissions, which can be found at the top right-hand corner of each of the nForm pages. Here you will find a list of your submissions, including the submission ID number and its current status. If you need to make a revision to an entry that has not yet been completed and submitted or is in the review process, you can get to the entry here by clicking on the arrow by the entry. If it has been marked complete, it cannot be changed unless it is unlocked for you by one of the Libby's main staff. Once the submission has been completed and approved, you'll be able to print off your RRP firm certificate from the overview page under Documents and Attachments, as you can see here. If you have any questions or run into any problems, please contact us at the Air Quality Division Lead-Based Paint Program at lbpreporting@deq.ok.gov or 405-702-4100.